I've made a number of videos on how to unlock a Facebook account, but in the recent video, there was a problem on the part of uploading an ID. So most people were not able to upload their IDs, and it's what I'm going to show you how to fix. So I'll take you through on how to unlock a Facebook account if you don't have the Learn More or Get Started option enabled. So the first thing you're going to do is to open your Chrome browser, and then you type in facebook.com. And then from here you log into your account. So after logging in, for now most people don't have the Learn More or Get Started option and they can't proceed from this step. So what you're going to do, on the search bar you're going to type d.facebook.com. that is to activate the Learn More option. So after typing that, you click enter and the Learn More option will be activated, but you don't proceed from that. What you're going to do, you still click on the search bar and then you copy that link from that section. So you copy the link and then you go and paste it on your notepad. So after pasting, there are some adjustments you're going to make on some characters. Now for example, where there is intro, you're going to remove that and you put stepper. Then at the bottom where there is underscore RDR, you remove that and then you put phase equal unauthenticated. And by the way, you can enable subtitles in case you don't get my accent very well. So having typed that, you copy that whole link from the top to the bottom without leaving out any single letter or symbol. So you copy the link and then you go and paste it on your Chrome browser from where you stopped. So you don't open a new tab, you just paste it here. After pasting, you enter. Then from this step, how to unlock your account, you click next. But you don't proceed from here, don't tap that next. What you're going to do, you click on the search bar still and then you copy that link. Then you go and paste on a new notepad. Then still we are going to be making some adjustments here. And now where there is challenge chooser, you're going to remove that and then you put this IDR stroke intro. So you remove challenge chooser and then you put IDR stroke intro and the rest remain. Then where there is d.facebook, you remove that d and you put mobile.facebook, then the rest remain. So after doing that, still you copy that whole link from the top to the bottom without leaving out any letter or symbol. Then you go and paste from where you stopped. Then you click enter. Now at this point, you can proceed by adding an email address and uploading your ID. So the first thing will be adding an email address that they will use for sending the new link to help you unlock your account. So then you click confirm. Then now on uploading your ID, you can upload either passport, a driver's license, a government's ID, or any of the IDs listed above, and the image should be clear. Then you click next. Then here where there is choose photo, you tap on it and it will redirect you to your phone gallery where you will be able to choose your ID. Now where the problem has been, when you click submit, you realize there is a problem uploading your image. So what you're going to do to fix this error, you click on the search bar and then you copy that link. Then after copying it, you go and paste it on a new note. Then the only adjustment you'll make here is where there is upload image, you're going to remove that and you put outro. Remove that, put outro, then you copy that whole link. Then you go and paste it on the other side. Having chosen the image already, So copy the whole link and then you go and paste it where you stopped. So immediately after pasting that link and then you enter, your image will automatically be submitted. So to proceed from this step, you can check this other video, and also if you want to know how to fix we don't recognize your device, you can check the second video, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. And for other inquiries, you can DM me on Instagram at alphamediaug. See you in the next video.